We do it quick and do it easier. I top him up and touch me neck in a freezer. Skill it pull up in a the G-Wag. Make every girl off his head Lisa. Sang a bomb up in a your speaker like a meter. Run the road like a fielder. Lisa turn them in a believer. Hold on. All the people that want the some more here at Sister Party, I know. Scope and me clap. That's how me gun sound when it clap. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop.
Body no mad, you know, I say Monster Enhance. As I bleach out you, I'm there to represent for Chef Young Media. I'm mad this body, so I say Chef Young Media. The man body thing them see there, but room.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
Hey, I'm here to say, Chef Young Media.
Chef Young Media.
The man can represent for Chef Young.
Yeah, this is the Usual Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are. Whoa.
Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know.
London. We got anybody that's from the Caribbean in Toronto tonight, light this bitch up. Where my ladies with the little skirts? Light this bitch up. When I say skilly, y'all say bang. Skilly. 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 So listen, if you know this shit tonight, I need you to sing this shit tonight. Toronto, what she love? What you say? She love?
She love bad man.
What you say?
Bad man. She love bad man.
Skilly.
She love bad. What she love? Sing no man. If you forward, enjoy yourself with your bumper and then she love gangster action. Me say where you want. She say back shot. How would in your mouth make your Snapchat? How would in your wall make your catch black?
What happened, Skilly?
And she a work for me fat cock 134 hashtag. Toronto and the caption, so she bring 100 and gal. Yo, what she love? She love.
What she love?
She love bad man. She love bad man.
Sing.
She love.
Ladies, what you love?
She love bad man. Make it steer. She love gunmen. Don't fret me. We make your man happy runway. So man see the AK when me bust there. So me bust in your belly Sunday. Make some bumbuckler nice no man. Eggshell, gunshot and pencil.
Top wrong.
Easy.
Oh, Toronto's out.
Yo, what me name?
Guns up.
Top ranking.
Guns up.
A bad man thing, a bad. So man, top ranking, top ranking.
What you say?
Yeah man, a bad man. Them no feel say me a wicked man for showing up. Me I show them something.
Show.
Yo, Toronto.
You ready?
The amount of people wake up in the place and nail up Jacob, wave up like when pirates sail out and them chest at the road. So man, I bet you when the rain don't not clear up everywhere, you fuck up like when Jada shake up. We no fear no way, no circumference, no fucking way, just anywhere we straight go. And now we alone and we have a gun. If you can't defend yourself at Toronto, go so, gun on. So man, pan flip, pan chopstick, pussy we vanish, hard up pan fridge, hot to the airport. They say your mother go, skilling up your power. I'm a whip on your house, I'm a bin Laden. I want to hear the whole Toronto sing this with me. Y'all ready? Let's go!
1, 2, 3.
Chop up, lad. Top ranking, a bad man. Top ranking.
What you say?
Eggshell, gunshot and pension. Put the rifle there with it.
Yeah, we ain't gonna waste no time tonight, Toronto.
Easy. You're not gangster in here. With the bad girl in my Toronto there. gunshot and pencil and don't play Toronto. Listen, my name bad every day.
Is it?
And when we say that, me no mean sometime. You hear that?
Is
Who
it?
bad every blood clot here for true? Yo, Toronto, go so, gun on. Yo, Toronto, bad. This man could your face anyway. We can't accelerate for them. I be a kid. You see, if you violate anybody from Toronto, they go tell you what go on. Level. Toronto beat and teach them rifle up it out the crocodile teeth them. Me 16 he's the HL gunshot and pension.
Go for them.
Get it down.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, I know some of the blood clutches.
What one?
Eh? In your coke?
Oh, sir. Not like
Watch me now.
Yo, Toronto. The plane does crash ready. Me no put it in a me. I sell it. Me had the plug for the one in charge. So what happened? The plane does crash for the coke. The plane does crash with the coke.
So what you do with it, Skilly?
Level. The pilot crash with the coke. Me glad said the plane land and the globe get the 15 with the scope trample it. One hand here carefully load pass with the gold. A 1 million plus tax for your key. Tell her run don't ramp with me cheese. Toronto I go capture your feet. Be a shot pick up be a crocodile teeth. Them know me no fuck when I. HL gunshot and pension. He said,
What we say?
break.
Break. What we say?
Jump now, man. Break. Break palm.
Jump.
Jump man, break palm, break.
Jump.
Break palm. Break palm, break. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot, no ramp. Level. Let me test them. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot,
What you say?
no ramp. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot,
What you
no
say?
ramp. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. You think of that? Turn it up. Drink that too loud. I'm a class move fast, I'm move out. And on a school bus, the young I move like when you shoot gun to run to gun wish pad. Union. Brick palm brick.
What you say, Toronto?
Brick palm brick. Say bumbo clad.
Is it?
HL gunshot and pension.
How you feeling nice,
If
Skilly?
you believe in yourself tonight more, no enjoy that song, yeah. Give them a brick with a easy chance. Me even think that sweat up to them. This is stand to marry them peasant. Bone and muscle with the tendon. Rhyme them tight like me squeeze them extra. Secret them a lot. The big fire keep on getting gas. Yes sir. France cat for build my method. Begin with the pressure. Insist we do things are very special. With the send and mighty them is regular. Check your temperature. Them cannot touch a link much as dependent. No discussion, fan attention. Then a dead man rise in disinfectant. Roll out with the wet map. Go well bad. If you believe in yourself, wave your hand them in the bomb box class kind of man. Yo Toronto. 6 million times 100 million. I take vision. I gaze you about a whisper. From before Corona, me a social distance. Read my visual. Some boy and I'm a picture. Tactical decision. From my team, I leave that, not my fixer. What my name Toronto? Oh me.
What you say?
I love you too, baby. HL gunshot and pencil and don't play Toronto, none at all. You are no replica, smoothie, no regular, pretty perilla. Yo, pull up.
What you say?
Original girl, you are no replica, smoothie, no regular.
tequila, tequila. Pretty for real, the pretty girl in my Toronto sing no man.
They ain't never had a pretty girl from. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me.
Ladies, if you're beautiful, I want you to sing it with your chest. I mean your breast. Let's go.
About to pour the rounds up. They say it doesn't get. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my car.
Big up Tyler anyway.
Skin tight, no millimeter.
The good part is about to come. Sing that part, yeah. Shell, gunshot and peg shell.
Listen, we gonna do it for the ladies tonight. There's so many sexy ladies in here tonight.
So they give him the energy.
What we say?
Baby Bendo, bless me.
This one.
Baby, why you tempting me? She tell me, baby, can you ride with me?
What you said?
Baby, come and ride on me.
What one?
Baby, how you move so dangerously? Baby, when you move, it's stressing me.
What she do?
Baby, why you blessing me?
What you did?
Baby, why you blessing me?
I want to see who knows my song the best in Toronto tonight.
Baby, why you tempting me? Baby, don't worry, keep blessing.
Yeah?
Baby, why you blessing me?
Who want to hear it?
Baby, why you blessing me? Baby, why you tempting me?
What's your friend do?
Baby, don't worry, keep blessing.
Bless me, Bob. Me love me right, I don't like Jillabe. Wet up your pussy like pipe for your chip. Slap up your body. Hold and sing. Coca-Cola shape and a Pepsi. When I rev you something out X6.
What you say?
Connect X so me make you come. Hold on. Me love see you and me cock a French kiss.
What happened?
Why you say you're an apprentice?
What you talking
Him
about?
now make you come. Him selfish. Me take you to the trenches. Make some noise for yourselves tonight. Y'all so beautiful. The vibe is wonderful. Big up every Jamaican in the place.
You say?
See it? And big up everybody when say Gaza too.
You say?
Yeah, Gaza straight down. If you not enjoy yourself in the night, I make some nice. Head shell, go chat and bang shell.
I want to get back to the ladies now. Ladies, I need y'all to sing for me tonight.
How you little lambo, sister?
Ladies, I need you to sing the Skilly tonight.
Hands up, hands up. How you little lambo, sister? Me love, show up me cocky and you roll it up. And when you bend up your foot and then you fold it up. And then you cock up your body, then you roll it up. I'm like, I must see danger. I'm like, I must see danger. I like steering. Me grab your titty them. And me wiki them. You're magnificent. Short pretty dress. With your pretty vest. Me just deal with your nipple like hanging them. Voila. Massage with a little aisle. What she call me? And then we'll fuck for a little while. So me cocky now you roll it up. And then you cock up your body, then you roll it up. Sing. I must see danger. I'm like, you think you're easy? Head shell, gunshot and peng shell.
Hey, ladies, I need to do one thing for me. One it.
Them think I ramp with them in the night, I know. Chabamba clap, boom, dodum tum, boom, dodum tum. Boom, dodum tum, boom, dodum tum. One from the pussy pa me. Yes, she does. Boom, dodum tum, boom, dodum tum. Now, fellas in Toronto, when you go to Jamaica, this is how you talk to a girl. Say if she never have a man, she give me fast. I woulda give me one son, or give me one daughter, and no drama. Say she woulda ride me like a yama, and no laughter. Say she want a fuck hotter than a sauna. With the rubber dub, anywhere you rather in the water, me will cock you up. Fuck the palm around, it ain't no matter. Baby girl, you had to call your papa. If you're having a good time, hands up. Let's go. Ba-dum tum, bum, da-dum tum, bum, da-dum tum, bum, da-dum tum, bum. pussy for me. Yeah, she just boom, do-dum, dum, boom, do-dum, dum, boom. Ladies, y'all think they need some more lessons? She love my style. Tell me all the while she says she have a man, but God know she not like the boy. She want running way faster. Running on my life, she want me for she fi jazzer. Coming out she eye, she just want from the pussy for me.
What she did?
Yes, she just want from the pussy for me.
What she did?
Yes, she just want from the pussy for me. Yo, me want you to sing for me. Hold on, boom, do-dum, dum, boom, do-dum, dum. HL gunshot and pension. Say Gaza. Say oh. Vibes Cartel free and all, so we are celebrate. Let us celebrate together, no man. Big boom. What you say?
Pretty cute face, coffee fuck that. No, push it in hard up in your bumbo. Here back world boss, what's a nut no. Skinny
never tell them something about myself.
Deep throat, y'all, get the trophy.
Me love y'all, we suck off dick. And a chance me, I must have it.
What she did?
Says she a bad freak.
Wow.
What she did? We are the wave like Hawaii. Y'all a give me pussy no want it. And no pussy in a me face, me no fuck and kiss. Y'all feel a suck me dick. She make the pressure disappear in seconds.
What else?
Landlord pay tenant, she a wish she never. She know for shake it pleasant, make it go to Nesta. Yo, Toronto, she blow me better. Fucking intellectual passage. I make some anyway, girl. For reflection, mirror say you ride me better. Me love every girl, but me have a type of pepper. Bad girl.
Pretty cute face, coffee fuck
What you say?
I don't want you to stop it.
Push it in hard up in your bumbo.
If y'all know the family part, I want you to sing it for me. Let me see how Jamaica and Toronto is.
Deep throat, y'all.
Real bad girl, she a sometimes she could twerk for the.
What you say?
She look like a Barbie. Shot the flying, she a fire. Cause she a do it always.
Turn up in the bumbo club, you know, man. HL gunshot and pension.
Hey, ladies, where you at?
He said, and the sexy girl at Toronto tonight.
Snipes.
Your pum pum is far. Me like make your body. And you did never have it tight. Chip up your body like. I know where you do me fine. Inna your little.
What you say?
Pull up. Big up all these beautiful ladies in Toronto tonight.
Is there?
Big up the whole of the killer them too.
Is there?
The bad man them not no tight pussy girl wanna love. Wanna tell her say. Your pum pum is far. Me like make your body tight. Inna me bed you just a wide. Sing no man, and you did never. Chip up your body like. I know where you do me fine. Where she inna? Inna your little shot.
What she wearing?
Can you please wear a little short skirt? Inna your little shot. HL gunshot and pension. Now I did this song specifically for the sexy ladies. Only sexy ladies can party to this song. I'm sorry.
I ain't gonna lie, I see nothing but sexy ladies tonight, though.
Shake for me. You do your hair and your nails lovely. She have the sex, she a body. They want to stitch it up. Come on. Sexy, sexy. Yeah, you're sexy. HL gunshot and pictures.
Let me play one of my favorite shits. Can I play one of my favorite shits, ladies? I need y'all to sing this for me, ladies.
Fiddle my feet like that. You have to fight back. Let me tell you that. For sitting on my mingle, not take no shot. Boy, you meet your much. Yeah, I start ripple when my wine and jiggle. If me show you a nipple bed, so you get gripper. Me do anything when you tell me to do. Walk with a friend.
If you don't know it, sing it. Yo, Toronto, what you do? Make it shake. It a shake up and play. A shake, it a shake. HL go to the bank shell. Now we have multiple songs on this rhythm. But me have to sing that one for the pretty girl them first. Especially the beautiful ladies in Toronto. He said, when you call me, I'm on my way. I gotta run. See how what? You remember come by your blood clot face. So level. Now as I said, I have multiple songs on this beat. And in our life, it's not always about pussy. More while we have to deal with positivity to see it. And if you believe in yourself tonight, I want to sing that song with me now. Song a blast like torpedo, my flow them my soul like magneto. Some me no watch people can manipulate evil by doing good. Possessions of vehicles can all fade away, so do we too. And sometimes things last longer than a heart. If you believe in yourself, we never ready to eat quite legendary, so we vice never perish. We never pathetic, we're not gonna well if we big Philippines. We're not ready for this matter heavy. We score like Balotelli, chop aggressive, get that sucker heavy. Level one more time. Song a blast like torpedo, my flow them my soul like magneto. So me no watch people manipulate evil. Stop it. I love you know you fuck. Hear me I say control or something right there, son. No?
Relax yourself.
I remember say you need no more than mine. You know?
It's the fourth quarter, Skilly.
Hear me I say. As me say, we deal with the ladies a while ago. We deal with little positivity and prosperity and which part we there now?
Can we take it there, Toronto?
A party bumbuckler time you know, yeah man.
I need everybody to jump with us tonight. On the count of 3. 1, 2.
Yo, Toronto, what one? Toronto chopper, my head to the chopper. 16. Run out again with the bomber. Head cap splatter. Pussy face, hold on. I'm not afraid that they come on and come with here. Can't strong have it here. Funny one and head cap bust off again like dragon. When the gunman them there, mouth bust up, fire chat too much. I will not take program, you know. We no robot, we shoot up your stomach. White skin a bun up. And when we say blood clot boom, left a hand shelly, wore up a belly. Hear me I say. If you're a real bad man, you have to jump to the bumbuckler party now. Them boy, you know wicked, talk and kill it. Toronto will it, whole lot kill it. Gunshot it, blood starts spilling, grave start digging. On the thing go no wicked, HL gunshot and vex.
We need maximum participation tonight. If you know this shit,
all the people that want the Samoa here at the party, I know. Scope on me Glock. That's how me gun sound when it claps. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop.
we can be louder than that, Toronto.
Yo, me tell them to say Toronto no joke, you know.
On
Toronto, what go on?
1, 2, 3, what we say?
He said, scope on me clock. I saw me gun sound when it pop. Pop, 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 pop. And chuck it, kill it. I saw me mini key tag. Pop, 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 pop. Stop it. That one on your right side versus left side. More I see who have the most energy tonight.
Left side, you my left
Pull up.
side.
Pull up. Right side. We can't make left side with ya.
Left side, we got to hold it down tonight, left side.
On ready?
On the count of 3.
Jump up, lad. Yo, right side. Wagwan. We have scope and we clap. That's how we got sound when we clap. Pop, pop. Left side. And chop. That's how we minicate tap.
I don't know.
Stop it. Who win? Who's the winner?
I think everybody need to do it this time.
Right side, that's true. Turn it up.
Is that?
Pop, 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 pop. Scope on me clock. That's how me gun sound when he clap. Pop, 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 pop.
Is that?
Hands up, hands up. Put up your hands up. Because some boy don't cry me.
First thing on a bowl like them full of gun, heavy clip full of.
Who is that?
Everything. What you say?
Is that?
We need every phone line up in this bitch tonight. If you ain't fucking with Skilly.
No, don't cry me. First thing on a bowl like them full of gun, heavy clip full of.
So everything get.
16. Head tap.
Say your bad pussy hole. Vibrates high corner rotted. Level. Be a chopstick. You wouldn't know badness. Top striker. To ask me. Ask my dependent. Me full of here. Be a madness. Play away when you check. Toronto clip ram up the key and I hit. Them don't bother be attacking. First thing on a bowl like me.
Full of gun, heavy clip full of. Everything get. 16 bun up boy skin.
Head tap.
Bust up and split.
Say your man soul run up and see.
Me brain tight, corner rotted. Yeah man, I inside. Nigga there we prepared boost with the case. If you with the sick in here.
Stop it. Stop it, stop it. Toronto say one thing for me, say More you play about that song there one more time for me. I'm more on the left side for redeem themselves, you know. See it? Yeah. Please and thanks. HL, go chat and pension. Yo, me, I listen, you know.
This shit chance to redeem.
What? No, don't cry me.
First thing on a bowl like them.
Full of gun, heavy clip, full of.
What you say?
So everything get. Me 16.
Boy skin.
They went up.
Bust up and split.
You say your bad pussy will run up and see. We brain tight on a ratty. Yeah, man, on east side. Be a chopstick. You will not know badness. Top striker. Ask for the pan the road and see. We full of here, be a madness. I want to hear everybody sing this shit. Oh no, don't cry me. First thing on a bowl like we full of gun, heavy clip full of. So everything get fucked when I reach me 16. Head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy will run up and see. We brain tight, corner rotted. Make it stay. I make a deal, we prepared goose for the case. Fulfill with the zig in here. I'm in the case, shot ricochet people face like BPM shot a beat in a people face. Hold on, don't feel Toronto afraid. Shot angle your face if you ramp to the brain. Toronto 4-5 clean. Shot open your door like he. you don't like it. We some shot in your clothes like it. We roll with the gear with the nose fight. You're this way, you don't find it. Toronto, you don't price it. Level, you rally. Who this with today and I live? Oh, you for try flip your brain now. We make your rifle to be. We deal with it. How you mean we no range armies? A gun chat your face in a be a dog shit. How you mean we no play? Oh, don't cry me. First thing on the bowl like me full of gun, heavy clip full of so heavy thing get. What you say? 16. Them head tab. Just say your bad pussy.
Toronto, sing this shit.
Yo, my love Toronto, you fuck.
Toronto, make some noise for Skillibeng!
Is it? Hear me I say, see I can love me, I can give them one more song, no? Echel, gunshot and peg shell. Don't play the one this in a zoo. Is it?
Thailand pattern, we killing them with the beat them bad. Out and clean like whistle knock boy girl switch up a simple match. We know from the day, no exaggeration. You're a shiny, you're skilling.
Yo, hear me I say that.
We show them how we great now.
We do it quick and do it easier. I top him up and touch me in a freezer. Skill it pull up in a the G-Wag. Make every girl off his head Lisa. Sang a bum up in your speaker like a meter. Run the road like a fielder. Lisa, turn them in a believer. Hold on, I no rise. I cheese and peas them a set. When them see me pull up heavy.
Me full up money, gal and weed and liquor too much till I boy.
Yo, Toronto, what go on?
Show me mine, come on.
Post some out. Another play that you know we have the money, you know it. Gal a link up just to go down out and pussy to go just and have your gal a boom up like what some song will blow up. Give me some space.
Thailand pattern, we killing them with the beat them.
I love when the Toronto say
like whistle knock boy girl switch up a simple. We know from the day, we buy no exaggeration. You're a shiny, you're skilly. Make we show them how we great now. Not true, me look so simple. Not true, me look so plain. No, it not gonna cost me nothing if you take a girl away.
Oh, me can't go over
this
this
money, just the charisma.
Yeah, man, say.
When time she see me, me call her. Try that, but she can't. We ain't on the phone, so she want to
Toronto,
come.
make some noise for Skillibeng here tonight.
Like this snap of a finger. Click.
Yo, me love her.
Skilly.
Is there?
Yeah, my love her,
Toronto,
Toronto.
I go by the zookeeper out, thank y'all. Let me play one more shit before I leave.
Is that?
Paper stuck together.